Hi everyone, this is Christy with the Element Bath and Body here in Dallas. Thank you and welcome to the new subscribers, and thank you and welcome back to the returning viewers and subscribers. So today's video is going to be a really quick one, hopefully. I am just testing out some naturally infused oils to see if they produce any colors or lasting colors, and how they turn out after they've cured. So I will show me pouring each color, and I will list what the oil was infused with. Everything is sunflower oil, but I use different herbs to infuse the oil. So we're going to see if it produces some natural colors or something that stays. If not, it'll just give some awesome qualities to the soap. So I'll see you in a minute. Okay everyone, so it's been about 24 hours since I poured. That's it. I'll probably film a lather test really quickly just to add on as a bonus. And then we'll see you on the next video. Thanks for hanging out. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Peace.